Sometimes you might want to create fields that are only visible if they meet certain conditions. For example, you might want to hide or make a certain field mandatory based on the value of another field. To do this, select the field you want to set conditions for. A field's conditional visibility can be set up here, and the field can be configured to be shown or hidden based on the value of another field or even multiple fields. So, for example, we can set this field to appear only if the status of the data field is set to high. And if you want to make this field mandatory when it's visible, you can follow the same steps under the mandatory conditions property. Note that since we're in the builder, the fields will still display, no matter the conditions, so you can easily access and modify them. But don't worry, when you'll be creating records in the workspace and using your application, all conditions will apply.